Hello friends, my name is Miss Robin. I am a children's librarian here at Mentor Public Library, and today I would like to bring you a digital story time. We are going to have so much fun. We're going to sing some songs and you can participate from home. So are you ready? We're going to start with a little bit of a different song than what I typically do. This is called If You're Ready for a Story. So we're going to have some clapping, some stomping, so you guys might want to stand up, okay? Ready? All right. If you're ready for a story, clap your hands. If you're ready for a story, clap your hands. If you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, clap your hands. If you're ready for a story, nod your head. If you're ready for a story, nod your head. If you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, nod your head. If you're ready for a story, stomp your feet. If you're ready for a story, stomp your feet. If you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, stomp your feet. If you're ready for a story, have a seat. If you're ready for a story, have a seat. If you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, have a seat. Very good, friends. Well, thank you very much for joining me. We're going to start our first part of our story time with some little riddles. Are you ready? Okay. What has wrinkly skin and a very long nose, and it carries its trunk wherever it goes? What could it be? It's gray, it's big, it's an elephant. Very good. Who has a carrot nose and is cold and round? If the sun comes out, he will melt to the ground. What do you think it could be? Yep, you got it, Mr. Snowman. What wakes you up at the beginning of the day? It's bright and round and yellow. At night, it goes away. What could it be? You got it. It's a big sun. What has a ladder and a hose and a flashing red light? It zooms to the rescue both day and night. Can you guess? You got it. It's a fire truck. Good job. Who is yellow and floats and has a bright orange beak? He's a friend in the tub. If you squeeze him, he'll squeak. Can you guess? You got it. It's our yellow duck friend. What has fur, a tail, whiskers, and claws? It likes to catch mice with its 4 little paws. Can you guess? It's our kitty. And what's a kitty say? Let me hear. Yep, meow. Good job. What has windows and a door and a roof up above? It sits on the street and it's filled with love. Can you guess what it is? All right. Oh, there it is. It's our little house. Good job. This next story is what I refer to as a soup opera. And you will soon see why I call it a soup opera. An opera is a drama that is set to music and song. A man walked into one of the finest restaurants in town, and he was seated at the very best table. And there's our man. Doesn't he look so happy? Soon a waiter appeared with a menu. And the man said, I do not need a menu, but please tell me, what kind of soup do you have today? And the waiter replied, well, today, sir, we are serving onion soup. And the man said, that sounds delicious. I'll take a bowl. And the waiter brought over his onion soup. There it is, his very big bowl of onion soup. And as the waiter started to walk away, The man said, "Excuse me, sir. I cannot eat this soup." And the waiter replied, throwing his arms in the air, said, "What seems to be the problem here?" And the man said, "I can't eat the soup." And the waiter said, "What did you say?" "I can't eat the soup." Said the waiter. "This is quite a predicament. I'll have to go get the chef." So the waiter leaves, and up walks the chef. With ladle in hand, the chef sang, "What seems to be the problem here?" And the man said, "I can't eat the soup." And she said, "What did you say?" "I can't eat the soup." Well, slapping her ladle in her hand, she turned and thought for a moment and decided, "I'll have to go get the policeman." A policeman? All for the soup? But along came the policeman, and the policeman sang. Oh, mind you, the policeman has a very big badge. Look at his big shiny badge. He sang, "What seems to be the problem here?" "I can't eat the soup." "What did you say?" "I can't eat the soup." Well, the policeman was just baffled. He didn't know what to do. So he decided, I think I need to go get the mayor. The mayor, all for this soup. Oh, so in walks the mayor with his very large pen in hand, and he's swinging the pen up, and he says, "What seems to be the problem here?" And the man sang, "I can't eat the soup." "What did you say?" "I can't eat the soup." Well, the mayor, not knowing who to call next, decided that it was time to call the President of the United States. In walks the President of the United States. There she is. And with her arms in the air, she exclaims, "What seems to be the problem here?" And the man replies, "I can't eat the soup." "What did you say?" "I can't eat the soup." And the president stopped, and she said, "Excuse me, sir, but why can't you eat the soup?" And the man replied, "Because I have no spoon." Oh, bravo, bravo. Okay.